Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Srilanka and today we are going to do something really cool using these cards in Ella and Ella railway station. So here we have so many people, so many guests. So we want to find someone to do some magic. So let's get it on. Alright guys, I have a deck, okay? You know, everyone familiar with this deck. Okay, so guys, first thing I'm gonna do, shuffle the deck. Yes, I'm shuffling the deck, and now you can pick any card you like secretly. Okay. So don't show me, but show the camera for the guys. Got it?
Okay.
All right. And now I'm gonna shuffle the deck like this, and you can say stop anywhere you want.
Okay.
You can place your card. Okay, your place, your random place. Okay.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. So stop. Place your card. One more time. Just watch your card. Got it? All right. Now I'm gonna mix the deck again. Where are you from, guys?
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Nice country. You guys want to shuffle? You guys, if you want, you can shuffle. Yep.
Just shuffle?
Just shuffle. Mix the cards. Shuffle means just mix. Just miss the order.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm gonna read your mind. Yeah, let's try. Okay. Yep. There's your card. Yeah, I got it.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. I got her mind. Also you. I got your minds. Okay. All right. Now, when I snap over the deck, your card jump top of the deck.
Okay.
Top one will be your card. Don't tell me the card. Is this your card or not?
No.
No, this one. Okay. Put your hand just like this. Put your hand just like this. All right. Just okay then. 7 of clubs here. Okay. Just imagine your card. Do you feel something?
Yes.
Oh yeah. I feel something. All right. Now just turn over your hand. Just turn over.
That's the card. Nice.
That's the card. Oh my god.
Really nice.
Okay.
That's your card, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, eight of the spades. All right, your card, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
All right, now I'm gonna just watch. Now I'm gonna change your card to 8 of cards to 7 of
Crazy.
clubs. Become the 7 of clubs right now. All right. Next one. This is really funny thing right now. Okay. So what do you think about Ella?
Was nice.
Nice. What's the best pair so far? Best one so far?
Yeah, we already 2 days in Sri Lanka, so far it was really cool.
Really cool.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Now you can say stop anywhere you want, and we need
Okay.
4 cards, right?
Okay.
Just say stop.
Stop.
Stop here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can pick 4 cards, right? Okay. I will help you.
Okay.
Keep this. Put both hands. All right. 2 cards here, and also your hands. 2 cards there. All right. So guys, you know, we have 4 main cards. We have 4 suits, right? So we have 4 cards, 4 main cards, right? Aces. It's a club, it's a diamond, it's a heart, just like that. Okay? You will not believe me, right? You don't want to believe me. Okay? Just watch your cards.
Aces.
So randomly, so random choice, right?
Crazy, nice.
All right, here's the nice thing.
Nice.
This is not the nice. Hello, backhand, right? Okay, we have 2 black cards, 2 red cards, right? 2 red
Yes.
cards, 2 black cards. Am I right? 2 red cards, 2 black cards. Am I right?
Black cards. Right.
Yeah, just messing things, okay? All right, guys. Keep your hand just like this, right? Yeah. Remember this card.
Yeah.
It's a clubs. It's a clubs, okay?
Yeah.
No, just one hand enough. Okay, hold it. Don't flip. Just hold. Yeah, just hold. And the second one is ace of spades, right? Ace of spades on top. And if I go just like this,
Yeah.
where's the ace of spades? Where's the ace of spades? Where's this? Top one or bottom one? Tell me. Top or bottom?
You guys see
No, no, no. You just say something.
Top.
Top. All right. Wait. Just wait. Just turn over your car. Just turn over.
Okay, it's
Just-
not possible.
But it's magic, right? Not possible. That's magic.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
None.
Just magic, okay? Don't
Yeah.
don't think too much, right? Just magic. 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 Things happening just like this.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Now I will pick another card. King of Clubs. King of Clubs, right? I'm going on King of Clubs. Place here. All the way inside, and the second one right now. Remember that card? King of Spade. No, not that card. King of Spade. Right now, King of Spade. So King of Spade. Give me like this. Now just watch. Completely disappear and come back. It will become now King of Clubs. Just magic. Yeah, man. All right. Thank you for your time. This is for entertainment purpose, right? Not for any commercial purpose. I'm just creating something for YouTube. Yeah. Okay. Nice to meet you, man. Enjoy Sri Lanka, right? Enjoy.